Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to add friends on Discord. So make sure you follow every step in the video. So first at the top you will see add friend option, so click on that. And then in here you need to find your friend's Discord username, and then you can basically type in here. So you can just write it in here, and then when you write it, click on send friend request. So and then here we go. So your friend request was sent. Or you can go to any server, and then in here you can basically choose anyone in here and then click on the profile. So and then click on the profile picture. So and then you will see a send friend request option. So hit on that. So here we go. So this is how you can add someone on Discord. See you guys in the next tutorial.